So hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can mine cryptocurrencies at home very easily. First of all, I'm gonna tell you that there are two types of mining. The first one is GPU mining and the second one is CPU mining. So the most profitable method is GPU mining, in which you must have a dedicated graphics card to mine several cryptocurrencies. And in CPU, your processor will work as a miner and it will give you very less profit and less hash rates as compared to GPU. The software which I'm gonna review in this video is Cryptex, which is a very easy software to mine cryptocurrencies at home. So what you have to do, open up any browser and type in here Cryptex. The first one website will appear, simply click on it. Okay guys, here you can see the basic interface of this website. So before downloading this miner, you have to create an account. For creating an account, simply click on it. Okay, here you can see the email, password and password confirmation. First of all, fill out this field with your email and generate your password and confirm it and confirm your password. I have already created my account, so I will go with login option and simply I will click on login. Okay, after logging in, you can see down here download Cryptex. Okay, here you can see the Cryptex miner is downloading. While it's downloading, let me show you the basic interface and the basic advantages of this website over other miners and over other websites. Okay, here you can see the payment history and the request payment. So in request payment option, you can see that various and different and several payment methods through which you can withdraw your money easily. The first two methods are through cryptocurrency, in which the Bitcoin and Ethereum wallet options are available. And if you want to withdraw your amount in Bitcoin, you can see the available for withdraw 0 BTC, because I didn't mine any currency, any Bitcoin. So here you can see the minimum withdraw is 0.00025 BTC and the fee is $6.73. Even if you withdraw smaller amount or larger amounts, the fixed fee will applicable to all your transaction, which is $6.73. So the Cryptex will also recommend that you must have larger amounts to withdraw, because it will cost $6.73 on each transaction. And if we go to our Ethereum wallet, the transaction fee is $12.56, even if you withdraw larger amount or smaller amount. And the other payment options are like rubles, the Russian currency, you can see the Kiwi, Yandex Money, Russian cards, ADV Cash and Web Money. And if you want your withdraw in US dollars, you can go up with Visa, MasterCard, ADV Cash, Amazon gift cards and Cryptex Merchant. And further you can check that Euro, Chinese Yuan and Turkish Lira. Okay, now further coming up to best mining GPUs, this is the most important page on this website. And here you can see the different graphic card along with their prices and their hash rates and their profits and payback days. First of all, you can see my filter is on monthly. I am calculating the monthly estimated revenue generated by these graphic cards. Okay, here you can see if I use my Nvidia RTX 3090 only single graphic card, which will cost me around $4,199, it will give the hash rates of 125 megahashes on Ethereum mining, 125 megahashes on EXP mining and so on. And you can see the profit which I will get in 1 month is $234. And you can see the payback days is 55 days. So what is the payback days? For example, you buy this card Nvidia RTX 3090, which costs you around $4,199, and through this profit $234, you can actually cover up your buying price, which is $4,000 in 555 days through this profit. So here you can see the different graphic cards which we listed here, and you can pick up your desired graphic card and check the profitability of those graphic cards. Okay, now here you can see my miner is downloaded. Simply click on it and click on open. Okay, now guys, simply paste these fields with your email address and your password which you have created on Cryptex website. Okay, now it's installing components for GPU computing, so we have to wait for several minutes. Okay guys, now here you can see the profitability of my CPU mining. As I already told you earlier that the profitability in CPU mining is too much low as compared to GPU mining. So I will recommend you to always do GPU mining, which will give you excessive profits. So in my case, I'm running my Core 2 Duo CPU. So the profitability and hash rate is very low. It's not even making $1 per month. This profit is very low. So guys, this is a basic video in which I have told you that how you can mine cryptocurrencies easily at home. Hope you like the video. If you like this video, please click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon.